Ayan, hi.
Hello.
Same question, ano yung first impression mo kay JC?
Ako, papunta pa lang ako ng Boracay. Sobrang intimidated na talaga. Magkaiba. Na-intimidate ako kasi of course, I know who he is. But then, nagulat ako nung pagkakita niya sa akin, tumatawa na siya. So parang, okay, close tayo, got it. So nag-gets ko agad yung vibe niya na parang nabunutan ako ng timid na saya. He's like that, but he's such a professional.
Pero after working with him, ano na yung parang nawala na dun sa impression mo?
Ay, hindi. Ganun pa rin siya. Nakaka-intimidate pa rin siya. Pero that's because I know he's like a really passionate actor. Yeah.
So I remember you, ano yung first impression mo nung nabasa mo yung script?
May ganito pala. Hindi ako aware about card bank, about they loan ng walang collateral, walang interest. So parang naging educational siya din for me reading the whole script. Given na nandun lang ako sa love angle, I come in as his parang, you know, ako yung kikirulog sa pagiging hard worker niya. So I come in and like hindi yung parang dun siya magkakaroon ng struggle na okay, I showed him what love really is, but then may ganun pa rin siyang laban na bawi when it comes to him being very hardworking.
Mas kilala ka sa comedy kasi, no? Pero you've done the right moment and other dramatic roles. So, gaano ka komportable dun sa role mo dito sa I Remember?
It was really fun and I kept saying very therapeutic also. Kasi parang given the character, let's say, hindi pa naman siya nangyayari talaga sa akin. But then, I have the opportunity to live in someone else's shoes and to like, you know, parang feel what the character would feel kung ganun nga yung mangyari. So parang, ang ganda din kasi it's such a learning process din for me and I love it. Parang ang ganda na it's not just the comedy side. Nagkaroon ako ng depth, nagkaroon ako ng truth dun sa character development ko.
So how was it working with JC? Paano nyo na-work yung chemistry nyo sa mga?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung you would say working on the chemistry kasi it was just there. Parang it was effortless na hindi ako nahirapan na parang shocks pag ginawakan ko siya baka walang ganong feeling. Not naman na ganon ako mag-isip pero parang he didn't have that vibe na I didn't have to second think. I didn't have those second thoughts na pwede ako maging comfortable din sa kanya.
Speaking of second thoughts, anong masasabi mo sa second chances?
If you're given the second chance, take it and take care of it. If you have the opportunity to give that second chance, think about it. Think about it. Kasi you're opening your heart ulit, diba? But, you know, nangyayari yan sa buhay mo because nakasulat na yan. Kailangan talaga mangyari yan. So just go with the flow. You have friends and family to talk to. So kausapin mo sila if you need help.
Di ba more on comedy ka? So ngayon di ba more on drama to? So sabi ni Direk na ilabas niya yun talaga sa'yo. Kamusta? May naging challenges ka ba? Kailangan ba may karga ka? Yung mga ganun?
Masarap eh. Masaya eh. Parang talaga, my term for it is like therapy na parang it's like something na I can create like a parallel scenario with my life na nailabas ko din yung mga emotions na kailangan ko ilabas. Ganun. Sarap.
So for future project, parang mas medyo
definitely, yeah. I mean, I will not close my doors with just comedy. Kasi parang, I believe na as I mature also as an actress, parang, syempre, we want to have that diversity also.
Yung shooting sa Boracay, kamusta ano ba, may challenges mo? More on sa Boracay ka nakita mo?
Yes, sa
Kasi
Boracay.
parang sumunod.
All in Boracay.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, kamusta? Mas in-enjoy ba yung pag-beach or?
Yun yung mahirap actually, yung struggle na kailangan mong mag-focus sa work. Sila, sabi ni JC kanina, they spent like 2 weeks straight daw. Ako, I was there for like 5-6 days. I came in latter part na. So, nahirapan ako kasi ang ganda ng view, ang hirap mag-focus. But then, you know, parang siguro nakatulong din yung scenery, like our location. Kasi ang kalma ng mga tao. No one's in a hurry. Everyone's just, you know, okay, let's do this. Perfect yung sun for now. Let's go. Relax lang talaga lahat.
Sorry.